In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge shapes in PowerPoint 2024. Whether you're looking to design complex diagrams or simply want to add a touch of creativity to your presentations, knowing how to blend and merge shapes can be incredibly useful. So grab your coffee and let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to have Microsoft PowerPoint open. If it's not yet open, go ahead and launch the application. PowerPoint 2024, with its sleek interface and enhanced features, makes navigating and creating presentations more intuitive than ever. Once you've got PowerPoint up and running, the next step is to open the specific file you're working on. If you're creating a new project, simply start a new presentation. However, if you're working on an existing file, locate it from the opening screen. The opening screen is the first thing you see when you start PowerPoint, displaying your most recent documents and the option to create a new one. Click on the presentation you wish to edit and it will open, ready for you to work on. Now for the fun part, merging shapes. Let's say you have several shapes in your slide which you would like to merge into a unique design. First, you need to select these shapes. To do this, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While holding the Ctrl key, click on each of the shapes you'd like to merge. This will allow you to select multiple shapes simultaneously without deselecting the ones you've already highlighted. After selecting the shapes, you'll need to navigate to the Shape Format tab. This can usually be found at the top of the PowerPoint window in the ribbon, a toolbar area that organizes commands into tabs. If for some reason you can't see the tab, make sure you've selected your shapes as mentioned before, as the Shape Format tab will only appear when shapes are selected. Within the Shape Format tab, you'll find a wealth of options to edit and customize your shapes, from changing fill colors to adjusting outlines. But for our purpose today, we're interested in the option labeled Merge Shapes. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu showcasing different ways you can combine your selected shapes. These include options like Union, Combine, Fragment, Intersect and Subtract, each allowing for a different type of merge effect. What you choose here really depends on what you're trying to achieve with your design. Are you looking to create a completely new shape from the overlap of others? Or perhaps you're aiming to cut a piece out of one shape using another. Play around with these options to understand how they affect your shapes. Each choice behaves differently depending on the arrangement and overlap of your selected shapes, giving you plenty of creative control over the outcome. And there you have it. With the right shapes and a bit of creativity, you've now merged shapes in PowerPoint to create something unique and visually compelling for your presentation. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of additional tips to keep in mind. Experiment with different merge options before settling on one. You might discover some unexpected and pleasing results by trying different merge types. If you accidentally merge shapes in a way you're not happy with, remember you can always use the undo button or press Ctrl+Z to revert your changes. Lastly, merging shapes can be addictive. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find all sorts of ways to enhance your presentations with custom graphics made right in PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has sparked some inspiration for your next PowerPoint presentation. Merging shapes is just the tip of the design iceberg in PowerPoint 2024, and there's so much more to explore. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of PowerPoint.